smile? Social smile is smile when talked to. Social smile is smile when talked to. Whenever we tell a baby, come, 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 smile when talked to. So that is known as social smile. So social smile is when baby starts smiling when anyone talks to him. Smile when talked to. So two milestones we have done. Giving regard to the mother comes by 1 year, and fixating eye to the mother comes by 1 year. So social smile. Social smile comes by how many months? So remember, social smile comes by 2 months. Social smile comes by 2 months. If you look at this video very importantly right now, so this baby is smiling at you. So social smile. So social smile comes by 2 months, recognizes mother by 3 months. Social smile comes by 2 months, recognizes mother by 3 months, and laugh out loud. Lol, laugh out loud. The baby do laugh out loud by 4 months. So it's very easy. 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. So social smile comes by 2 months, recognizes mother by 3 months, and laugh out loud comes by 4 months. And when can I give regard to the mother or fixate eye to the mother? 1 month baby can look at you or giving regard to the mother and fixating eye to the mother. I'll repeat again. Social smile comes by 2 months, recognizes mother by 3 months, and laugh out loud by 4 months. That you should know. Okay, this is one thing we have done. Okay, stranger anxiety in personal and social. The mother says, "Doctor, मेरी गोदी में तो ठीक रहता है, आप ही गोदी में जाएगा तो रोएगा." So the baby is anxious on meeting the stranger. So stranger anxiety, this baby also I was telling him to come to me, anxious on meeting the stranger. So very importantly, stranger anxiety comes by 6 to 7 months. Stranger anxiety comes by 6 to 7 months. Whatever we are reading, we're reading for the first and last time. Okay, so the baby can give regard to the mother and fixate eye to the mother by 1 month. Social smile comes by 2 months, recognizes mother by 3 months, and laugh out loud by 4 months. A baby can do stranger anxiety by 6 to 7 months. Next we have is mirror play. Next we have is mirror play. When does a baby play himself in front of the mirror? बच्चा शीशे में देख के अपने साथ कब खेलता है? When does a baby has a playing with the mirror? So basically by 6 months, a 6 months old baby will have a mirror play. See, in all the PPTs, photo, 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 answer, answer, answer. Please focus too much on the photos because that's the milestones. So the mirror play basically comes by 6 months, that you should know. And yeah, so one more thing also they in personal. So gross motor, fine motor, personal and social, language, vision, and hearing. These are the milestones. Here also extra pointers of language we must appreciate. When can a baby say ma or ba? And when can a baby say ba or you can say bye bye? Okay, because you have to integrate and finish also. So ma or ba, that is known as monosyllables, and mama or baba or bye bye, that is bisyllables. So remember very importantly, monosyllables comes by 6 months and bisyllables comes by 9 months. Monosyllables comes by 6 months, where a baby say ma or ba, and bisyllables means baba or bye bye comes by 9 months. The monosyllables comes by 6 months, and bisyllables comes by 9 months. And baba or bye bye, this milestone bye bye. When can a baby say bye bye? So bye bye by 9 months, a baby can say bye bye by 9 months. So this part also remember we have done. Object permanence, I've already told you in the last class what was object permanence. This also we have spoken in the last class. So what is this? This is kind of a, this is known as a peekaboo. This baby is playing a game known as peekaboo. This also in the last class. I remember I told you a baby can say peekaboo or kind of a hide and seek game. So peekaboo or hide and seek game, a baby can say by around 10 months. The baby can say peekaboo or hide and seek game. So that is one thing you should know. Okay, so this part is done, and yeah. So the last point you should know, at 15 months, a baby will have 2P, and 18 months, the baby will have 2D. Remember, 15 months baby will have 2P. 1P is known as pointing. Pointing towards someone, known as pointing, comes by 15 months. And 15 months baby also can do one thing known as indicate wet pants. Indicate wet pants. That he has done susu in the pants. He's indicating wet pants. Whereas 18-month baby, he gonna have 2D. One D is domestic mimicry. One D is known as domestic mimicry. Means if the mother is sweeping the floor, the baby is sweeping the floor. Domestic mimicry, that MCQ star mark comes by 18 months. And dry by day. Very importantly, there's something known as dry by day and something known as dry by night. Dry by day means in the daytime, the baby will be dry. He will not pass susu in the pants. If he wants to pass susu, he'll tell the mother, she'll take him to the washroom. So 18 months old baby, he will be daytime, he will be dry, and double of 18 is 36. So 36 months baby, or I can say 3-year old baby, he will be dry by night. In the night time, he will not pass, he'll be dry, he'll not pass susu in the pants. If he wants to pass, his mother will take him to the washroom. In Hindi, if I say 1.5 साल का बच्चा दिन में सुसु नहीं करेगा, about 3 साल का बच्चा रात में सुसु नहीं करेगा. That is one basic thing I remember last class I had told you this thing. This part is done. This is also a very beautiful question. Doctor is aware that the preschool children often display a developmental characteristic that makes them treat dolls or animals as if they have feelings or thoughts. This is a very beautiful point. The child thinks these dolls basically, or animals, they do have feelings and thoughts. The Barbie girl and all those things, they do have feelings and thoughts. What is this known as? This is known as animism. Remember, this is known as animism. Rare of the rare question. So this is known as animism, where the child thinks that he treat the dolls and animals as if they are real. They do have feelings and they do have thoughts. That is known as animism. Okay. Toilet training, very commonly asked question. OPD, the mother comes, doctor, when should I start my baby toilet training? In Hindi we say 1.5 साल का बच्चा, roughly 1.5 साल पे आप बच्चे को potty training शुरू करा दीजिए. By 18 months baby, you should start the baby doing toilet training, because that's good for him, and that's what toilet training is done. Okay, we have done that. When does a baby knows his full name, age, and sex? I am Rahul, I am a boy. A baby knows his full name, age, and sex by 3 years, and he can go to toilet alone by 4 years. So baby knows his full name, age, and sex, and even he can ask questions also. Imagine him, I'm asking you name, age, and sex. So what is your name? So I am Rahul, like that. So he can ask questions also, and his name, age, and sex, he knows it by 3 years. Okay, that you should know. This part is done. Finish this, we have done that. Okay, now after we have language, then vision and hearing, gross motor, fine motor, personal and social. Then language, e, lol, cooing, babbling, monosyllables, bisyllables, single words, sentences. This is what we're talking about. 5 6 are there, it's very easy. So language, 1 month baby, he'll be quietens when a bell is rung. He's crying, wah, 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 he's crying, and tan, 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 tan. If you put a bell, he quietens when a bell is rung. Photographic memory, imagine this 1 month old baby, he quietens when the bell is rung. Number one. Number two, 2 month old baby will vocalize, and 3 month will be doing cooing. So remember, very easy. 1 month old baby, he quietens when the bell is rung. 2 months old baby will vocalize, kind of trying to vocalize, and 3 month baby will doing cooing or babbling. He'll do cooing, like say making sounds only. It's a subcategory, better, 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 like that. So 1 month old baby quietens when the bell is rung. 2 month old baby vocalizes, and 3 month old baby will do cooing, and lol, laugh out loud, lol, around 4 months old baby. So yes, so this is very nice which she's doing. So the baby is doing lol, laugh out loud. So lol baby done by roughly by 4 months. I told you social smile comes by 2 months, recognizes mother by 3 months, and laugh out loud basically comes by 4 months. Okay, that you should know. Okay, when does a baby cry with tears? This is also very interesting, because we all know it's very neonatology question. Does newborn baby have tears? Newborn's baby don't have tears because of the nasolacrimal duct is still forming and all that. So by 3 to 5 months, the baby will cry with tears. 3 to 5 months old baby, he will cry with tears. That you should know. Okay, what is this? This thus we're playing with the baby every day in our ICU, in our ward. We are just playing with the baby. So whenever you go to him, no, he starts. He feels very good about it, and he feels very happy about it. So it's an enjoying process. Okay, What is raising milestone? This is known as raising. If I look at the camera like this, this is known as raising. This is known as raising. Roughly around a 5-month-old baby. Yes, a 5-month-old baby can do this milestone known as raising. Okay, so that you should know. Simple. This part is done. Okay, I've told you monosyllables, bisyllables, bye bye. So everything I've told you. This is quite interesting. When can a baby will say 1 to 2 word with meaning, and then when can he say sentences? See, again, let's revise. 1 month old baby, he will quietens when the bell is rung. 2 month old baby will vocalize. 3 month old will do cooing, and 4 month old baby will laugh out loud. He will have lol that we have done. Monosyllables 6 months, bisyllables 9 months, bye bye 9 months. When bye bye 9 months, remember at first birthday he will have 1 to 2 word with meaning. As first at first birthday, he will have 1 to 2 words with meaning. Okay, so naturally, 9 months old baby when he's saying bye bye, so 1 year onwards he's gonna have 1 to 2 words with meaning. 1 to 2 words with meaning. Now this was the exam question: 18 months and 2 years. When can a baby have a vocab of 8 to 10 words, and when can a baby will have a vocab of 100 words? This came in the NEET exams also. So the baby will have vocab of 8 to 10 words. It comes by 18 months. And this 8 to 10 words vocab becomes 100 words vocab by 2 years. So this is quite interesting. And by 2 years itself, he's gonna have 2 to 3 word making sentences. First birthday, he will have 1 to 2 words with the meaning. Second birthday, he will have 2 to 3 word making sentences. This is quite interesting that you should know. Let's revise. This slide is really important. When monosyllables comes by 6 months, bisyllables comes by 9 months, and once the baby say bye bye by 9 months, then 1 to 2 word with meaning 1 year, and 2 to 3 word making sentences comes by 2 years. And what you call a baby will have a vocab of 8 to 10 words by 18 months, and he's gonna have a vocab of 100 words by 2 years. This is a small table of everything which I've told you. So remember gross motor, fine motor, personal and social, language, and now comes the vision and hearing. Okay. Yes, now like this is the previous one of this gross motor, fine motor, personal and social. This is personal and social. The next slide is vision and hearing. Now, vision and hearing. Before starting any segment, let's have a beautiful quote. So the quote for today is not how long, but how well you have lived is the main thing. This is very quite interesting point. They say not how long, but how well you have lived. That is the interesting thing. Life is really beautiful, you know. Life is amazing. Life is, you know, we always say life is a one-time offer, use it well. It's beautiful, you know. What can I say to you? As in, there will be times in life when you will be happy without no reason, and there'll be times in life when you will be sad also by anyone's comment, or by just like that you will feel that someone is talking about you, or basically a subconscious clouding of thoughts which goes in the background, that what people will say me, what people will judge me, why they make fun of me. And in the reality, those people are like nothing. They are totally non-existing in your life. But that's what I'm saying, don't carry the negativity in your brain for a long time, because the quote is not how long, but how well you have lived is the main thing, you know. So try to be nice, and if you're feeling something bad, just have positive distractions, talk about it, and evacuate asap. And also at the same time, channelize your mind that if the same next episode happens this way, how more early I can, you know, recover, and how better I can react.